Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to use this detailed tag loader. So what this tool does is it's just a command that you see in a drafting view. If you have a detail family, it will find all of the parts, gaskets, blocks, etc., and it will load in the tags that you need and place a leader. So if you click it, you just need to click the family. It's gonna open the detail family, and after it's done, you close it, go back, and as you see, it loaded the tags, and then you just need to move the ones that are really close, adjust the leaders, and you're done.